up, guys? Swifty Fingerboards here, and I will be showing you like a little grind session on this really big rail. I'm gonna say it's about 2 feet long, but I have this camera zoomed in a little bit at an angle so that you guys can see what it looks like in the pro videos and stuff. Sorry if I suck, but I'm just now getting used to this rail. I've only had it for like a couple days. Here we go. I can't freaking ollie for some reason. It's hard to ollie anymore. Oh my god. Woohoo! I'm just kidding. Oh my god. Kind of paused there, try to get my balance together. Trying to do a nose grind, I can't. It's kind of hard to do a nose grind. Oh well. Oh crap. Dang it, camera. Why you do this in the middle of a video? Why you do this? Okay, you're good. Oh, hey, that's a cool idea. That's pretty awesome. Dude, oh my god, I'm stupid. I just grabbed the board. Tell you what. God dang it. Hide it! Can't land on the trucks. There we go. I'm more of a truck grinding kind of person, not a board slide. That'd still be awesome if I could trick onto a nose slide, which those look pretty cool. Especially if you trick onto one, but I can't do it. I can't even like ollie and do one. It's freaking, okay. Anyway. I can barely even trick and even land a grind. Oh my god, I almost landed a nose grind. Oh my god. Dude! Ah! I hate it. Why? Freaking not enough room. Get out of here. There we go. And you get caught, of course. Oh my god. At least freaking hit the rail at least. Oh! I can't trick right. Oh my fucking god, this is annoying. Oh man, give me a second to get my breath. Okay. So I still got the ollie down. Okay. Okay, just do a simple trick onto a grind. Just go on the... Oh my god! It's like it wants to stay in the same stupid place when I want to try to grind. There. God dang. Stupid camera, come on. Forget the tricks, guys. It ain't gonna happen. Anyway, if you're snoozing this video, bless you. Peace.